Sexual violence is a global pandemic. It affects pretty much most women. According to the UN, 1 in 3 women around the world experience some form of it at least once in their lifetime. Unfortunately, many of us do not talk about it, we do not report it officially, and this translates into a data gap. We often think of peace as the absence or the opposite of war, but that's not true. Peace could be the absence of any kind of conflict. My name is Elsa Marie De Silva and I'm a Rotary Peace Fellow. I'm the CEO of Red Dot Foundation. It's a not-for-profit in India as well as in the US. And our main work is sexual violence prevention. We do it through a crowd map, a reporting platform called Safe City, where we crowdsource anonymous stories of sexual violence in public spaces. And the idea is to look at this issue through patterns and trends visualized on a map as hotspots. For staring or for groping, maybe someone might not go to make an official complaint because the process is so tedious and so intimidating. Technology is part of our everyday life. So why not use it to give women a platform to record their experiences? So we found that approaching authorities like the police with this kind of a data set has helped them change their beat patrol timings in areas where they may not have had a presence. In reality, public space safety is absolutely critical to women's contribution to the economy. The data itself was used by an economist to put an economic cost to sexual harassment in public spaces in Delhi. Girija Borkar at Brown University used our data set as one of the data sets to prove that sexual violence impacts women's access to public transportation, which may cost them around $290 a year, which in our part of the world in India is quite a lot of money. Without our data set, I don't think she would have been able to do that. Unconsciously, we curtail our own opportunities, restricting ourselves from doing so much more than we are capable of. Women and girls, they're not allowed to travel very far from home to access quality education. So unlike their male counterparts, they may choose a university or a college close to their home, and this compromises the quality of their education. Look with your hearts, not with your eyes. We will not be intimidated by your gaze. We will break our silence. I would hope that everybody downloads this app and uses it to report their incidents and use the data to make their own community safer.